Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm here to teach you Shall We Gather at the River. This song is going to be in our new book, 21 Easy Hymns for Ukulele. Shall We Gather at the River uses 3 chords for whatever key you're in. The first time I sing the song, I do it in C, and for C I use a C chord, an F chord, and a G7. Then later in the song I do it in the key of G, and for G major I use a G chord, a C chord, and I use the easy or the Hawaiian D7 because I like it better. And then to connect the two songs I do what's called a turnaround. So I do an A minor, a D7, and then a G. The strumming pattern for this song is down, down, up, down, down, up. Shall we gather at the river, where bright angel feet have trod, with its crystal tide forever flowing by the throne of God? Yes, we'll gather at the river, the beautiful river. Gather with the saints at the river that flows by the throne of God. On the margin of the river, washing up its silver spray, we will talk and worship ever all the happy golden day. Yes, we'll gather at the river, the beautiful river. Gather with the saints of the river that flows by the throne of God. Ere we reach the shining river, lay we every burden down. Grace our spirits will deliver and provide a robe and crown. Yes, we'll gather at the river, the beautiful river. Gather with the saints at the river that flows by the throne of God. At the smiling of the river, mirror of the Savior's face, saints whom death will never sever lift their songs of saving grace. Yes, we'll gather at the river, the beautiful river. Gather with the saints at the river that flows by the throne of God. Soon we'll reach the shining river, soon our pilgrimage will cease, soon our happy hearts will quiver with the melody of peace. Yes, we'll gather at the river, the beautiful river. Gather with the saints at the river that flows by the throne of God. Melody tab in C. Melody tab in G. Enjoy!